Welcome to one of the leading software engineering institutes in Sri Lanka, where innovation meets education.
IJSE has many prospects and a wider scope for development and has high adaptability for growth as an IT-related campus. Every education program is regularly improved to match the industry standards and the contemporary job market. Our dedication doesn't end with graduation. A graduate diploma in software engineering became the best wake-up call for the graduate to work mindset in Sri Lanka by becoming 100% successful and 100% reliable for a futuristic career.
Empowering futures, one line of code at a time, where dreams become achievements.
Yes.
Be a part of the next generation of software engineering pillars of the industry.
IJSE, Institute of Software Engineering.